Yo, why is this driver trying to brake check somebody, bro? Like, like he just switched a lane and all of a sudden he's trying to brake check somebody, bro. Yeah. Yo, fam, see, what we have here today is Rage has failed to intimidate and get instant karma. You already know when you hear instant karma, it's about to go down, bro. So that's it. So hit the subscribe button right now and like the video, bro. I would appreciate if you do that for me, bro, because I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. You know, sometimes I feel like not saying this, but like I really need it. So that's why I have to say it to you guys, you the viewers. You are the only one that are going to make this happen for me, you know, because you are the viewers. So hit that subscribe button right now so that I can get to 1,000 subscribers. That will help me a lot. I'm begging, guys. Please do it. Yeah, so let's keep going. Sure. What was that sound for, bro?
I'm sorry. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Expect more defense without giving up the good life. Russia produces enough military kit to build an army the size of Germany's every 6 to 12 months. Under its fascist president Vladimir Putin is busy invading one European country.
Shit. Somebody was trying to change your lane, bro. Yo.
By 2030 is a distinct possibility. Faced with this sobering analysis, Europeans might have been forgiven.
Shit. Yo. I know somebody have caused trouble, bro. She's slamming to stop to yell at another driver. Yo. Shit. Shit, bro. Who actually run the red light? Let's see who actually run the red. What the hell? Who actually was run? Shit. Yeah. The driver of the Dodge did not stop but was pulled over and arrested. Nah, instant karma, bruh. Just like what I told you about the video. It's a rageous fail.
Sweat. From cream cheese to fresh fruit and more. Order shipped same day delivery for last minute.
Yo! Yo!
Whoa! Dude! Watch it, you're gonna... Tourist, holy...
Maybe that, maybe the driver is sleeping, bro.
But they're not selling the quadrifoglio. My God. Jesus. I don't know Christ. I haven't had somebody do that forever.
How crazy do you think that new key will be the day it opens? Or busy as normal or busy? An asshole literally cut you off.
Yo, somebody's not watching, bro. Somebody's not watching. Yo, parking lot hit and run. Police are investigating. Shit.
When somebody else, because I didn't like to tell you guys this.
Whoa!
But and then I'm going to
That's
take
the
my
psycho car
medicine.
from earlier.
Still being psycho. Did you?
Oh, shit. Some drivers, bruh.